This time I have a very interesting special purpose Polaroid-based camera for you all. The lens or attachment mount is interchangeable. Currently it can take lenses or accessories with the M42 screw mount. However, M42 lenses with 28, 35 or 50 mm and their image circle do not fill the film format by far. It has a label inside from Sky Scientific 28561 Highway 18 Sky Forest, California 92385. Phone 714-337-3440. It has a simple 2 leaves pneumatic shutter. The traditional Polaroid back was made in the Netherlands. The back takes the Polaroid Packfilm Type 100 series for land cameras, timed peel-apart development, sometimes called Type 660. The measurements of the single film sheets are 10.8 times 8.3 cm or 4.25 times 3.25 inches. I have no clue for what this camera was designed or used for. Probably either for astro-photoghraphy or close-ups. Any clarification about this camera is highly appreciated. Thanks for watching.